Hi everybody, thank you for coming to my channel. This is Wendy, and this is going to be a show and tell. And I'm going to link the YouTube channel down below. Her name's Karen, and the reason why I want you to go and look at her video because she shows multiple booklets in one video, multiple notebooks. Okay, so it's nice to have it all condensed in one spot. But so I wanted to show you what I made. It's not done yet, but I thought, okay, let me show you and you guys can go make your own. Once again, this is for my sewing journal. Okay, so it's tied with the bow. And if you notice, yeah, mine's backwards. It should have been folded this way. But what's unique about this is that this is made from a tag. Okay, so here's the front, and then it opens it up, and I have a little pocket here with a tag, and then some fun little paper, and then there's a pocket in the back as well. Oops, I'm losing my stuff. And then there's a pocket back here as well, and it's a little notebook. And it folds up, but look what it's made out of. Can you guys see the tag? Here, I'll show you one that I did not. And what's great is, you know, we make our owns all the time. So this is what it's made out of. That's it. Just the journal, you know, tags. And, you know, you can get whatever paper and make your own, you know. Have some neat printed, you know, or paint on them. She does painting on them and all sorts of stuff. She even, like I said, I'll link her down below. Her name's Karen. I love it that she has one accordion style that you pull open and it just, you know, I'm sure you guys seen them. But she makes it really easy just to look for whichever one you want to do. So this, and it has a little spine. So like this is, I sewed it in with the little 3-hole pamphlet stitch. And I just like, this is so cute. It's going into my sewing journal. And I wanted to share because this was super easy. I mean, how easy is it to fold a tag, you know, our journal tags into a little notebook. So this is my little show and tell. If you want to know how to do it and where to score the lines and, you know, how to make your tags, visit her video down below and let me know what you think. And see, oh, I have to show off. There's my little tag I made. Sometimes it's fun making little tags. Other times I can't stand the little tiny things. Too fiddly for me. So this, I got to finish it up and this will be done and that'll be another thing for my book. So let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share. Let me know if you make it and what you want to see. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.